Hey everybody, just thought I would share my experience here at the Sunset Plaza Resort, Sunset Plaza Beach Resort and Spa in Puerto Vallarta. We are in a deluxe 2-queen bed room, and we just thought we would share what the place looks like. So take a look, and out here on the patio, don't mind the wetsuits and towels. This is the patio, and when you go inside from the patio, you have the 2-queen beds. And make your way through here, don't mind the luggage. You have a very nice bathroom. Again, don't mind the mess. There is a nice big shower, and back here behind the door is a nice toilet area. As you come out of the bathroom, you have a pair of ropes as well as slippers. There is a safe. And let's go back to the patio, toward the patio anyway. There is a coffee maker. There is a mini bar with some necessities: Coke, Diet Coke, some beer. And going through here, we have a mirror, a nice television, some storage areas here. Hola, beaches. And then back to the patio where we started. Oh, look, there's somebody here. It's Mauricio. And then we come out to the balcony, and over here to the left, you can see that they're adding a whole new wing to this building. So I think they're actually occupying the space of the resort to the left, to the south of here. So they're going to actually expand not just their building, but they're going to expand the property. They're going to have probably more pool, another pool over there. And then we'll pan slowly over. You can see down below here from our balcony, there is a main big pool with a swim-up bar. There is, to the left of that, a smaller pool. That's like an adults-only pool. And then actually on the rooftops here, there are 2 different hot tubs. And those also are adults only from what we were told. Panning back out, don't mind the finger. We're going to pan back around. This pool over to the right is the neighboring property, which is a sister property. And look at that view. You cannot beat the sunset views here at the Sunset Plaza Resort. Service is awesome. The drinks are great. They have top shelf alcohol available. And we're actually heading to a Saturday night barbecue down below here. It's Caribbean night, or Caribbean night. And we'll be eating outside, and there's grills set up. This is a special thing they're doing on a Saturday night. Normally, there's 2 or 3 restaurants that offer a la carte meals, where you'll sit down, order off the menu. Everything is fresh. There's no buffets. This is just a special thing they do on Saturday night, where everyone's outside. They'll have live music going on a little later. So, first full day. Loving it so far. Hey everybody, me again. I'm at the Sunset Plaza Beach Resort and Spa in Puerto Vallarta. This is our first full day here. We're just checking it out. As you can see behind me, you can't beat the location. I'll get my face off. Okay. I'm up on the upper deck currently, looking down at the pool. This is a family pool here. Everyone is welcome. And directly below me, you can't see it here, but there is a swim-up bar in this pool. And then over to the left, there's a family, adults-only pool, sorry. That's adults only over there. There is service at your table or your chair. They will bring you stuff. On this deck up here, they have 2 jacuzzi tubs. One way over there, and then one right here. Nice little lounging area up here as well that I saw with an umbrella over it. Another seating area here. Some lounge chairs. And here is the new addition that they're building. It looks pretty amazing. I believe all of them face the water, just like the original building here on the end. Everything faces the water. The sunsets are awesome. You'll probably see a video from me of sunset. On all these balconies on the new building, I can see what looks like the rough-in for a little personal hot tub on your balcony. And then below here in this open air area, like here from above in our room, I can see that they're making a pool, another pool over there. And they're gonna add another restaurant or 2, and yeah, this place is gonna be much bigger in the next year or so. But we are loving this place. Definitely a quiet place to chill and have a good time. There's 6 of us in our group. The restaurants are able to accommodate with no problem. Well, after 6 fun days in the sun, we got a little burnt, we got a little buzzed, a lot buzzed, and we got pretty full. We will definitely be coming back to this resort after the remodel. I hope you enjoyed watching this video. Please make sure to like and subscribe. Thanks again. Have a great one.